This is from Uncle that Stuffy and Mommy and him.
Tell her happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh, this looks interesting.
Open it and see.
Is it? You know what it is?
I said it's something special for her.
Yeah.
She so didn't. I heard what she said.
I did.
Okay.
Special. Must be special. It's in a big enough box.
It's yours with my blessings.
I guess it is special. It's got his very own pillow.
Let's see it shine. It's beautiful, Mama.
It is quite beautiful, isn't it?
A beautiful gem for a beautiful girl.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marjorie. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Thank you.
Super.